Hey guys, what's up? Tim Queenie, and today I'm going to show you my 7-step system how you can get clients on LinkedIn. Very simple. Step 1, you have to dress for success, or in other words, you have to optimize your profile so it becomes welcoming when someone wants to work with you. You want to make a good first impression with your profile. That means you have to make sure that you have a proper headline, you add like a nice professional headshot photo and maybe even a cover image. Make sure that you turn your profile to a LinkedIn creator mode profile if you want to add up to 5 hashtags to your LinkedIn profile. You can also check out this video over here or this article below on more tips how you can optimize your profile to attract your ideal clients. Step 2, you need to have absolute clarity about your clients. A lot of times this is one of the core issues when people don't get any clients because they just don't know who they really are. Or they're saying, I want to work with everyone, and that's just not working. Especially on LinkedIn, you have to be very careful to select a very narrow niche so you can both carefully build an audience around people very similar to that, and you can also make targeted outreach to grow your network and get targeted followers. So make sure that you make a choice. Who do you want to work with? Sometimes you have to narrow it down really small and narrow, and then as you grow your business you can then slowly expand, but start with a really small niche first, especially if you have like less than 500 connections on LinkedIn. Step number 3, you need a really good entry-level offer. This is also really important because when you're on LinkedIn and you're starting a business relationship with someone, this person most of the time doesn't know you. And even though you might find some mutual connections, it's a thing of building trust. And you want to make it really easy for people to get to know you. And having like a small dedicated package that you can just roll up your sleeve and put on the table is a really good starter, something that is like a small risk for someone to give you a try, something that solves like a big challenge, is reasonably priced and can be completed in little to no time. Step number 4 is you have to publish high quality educational content on LinkedIn. This has the purpose of demonstrating your expertise and also to build trust with your ideal clients. I recommend answering entry-level questions that your ideal customers are facing in their business and giving them a big picture solution so they understand the problem can be solved, they understand the big picture how it can be done. If they want and they don't have a budget, they can figure it out themselves, but if they don't, it gives them enough information to reach out to you. Step number 5, guide them through your LinkedIn funnel. You have your post. This has the purpose of building trust. Then you're getting them to your profile so they can check out more about you, learn more about you. Here they can connect with you, follow you, send you a message, visit your website, and then start a conversation with you so you can then present your entry-level product. And then once they're happy and confident in your work from your entry-level work, you can have your main product and your upsells, and then you can have a customer for life. Step number 6, add an active outreach channel to your marketing mix. Content marketing on LinkedIn works really well, but if you want to have a bit more control over how much revenue you're generating, or you just want to be able to create new customers on the spot whenever you need, add an additional outreach step to your daily routine on LinkedIn. I recommend the following approach. Just take a screen recorder. You can take something like Cloud App, Snagit, or Loom. Record a 2 to 3 minute video of yourself speaking. Maybe you can go to a potential customer's website. Maybe you can look at some of the marketing material. You can look at some of their products, some of their challenges, and tell them a small solution to one of their current challenges to demonstrate your knowledge. This can be just 2 to 3 minutes, you talking to camera. It could be you recording your screen and showing them something on their website, and then present them a big picture solution for a small entry-level project that you could work with them. Carefully filter a number of potential prospects and then send them each a personalized connection request with your video message. This works wonder. People are used to getting spammy messages, but nobody takes the time to actually record something personal. So this is a really great way to start a conversation and get people on the phone or on email and start a small project with them. And because you put in the time and you have a small entry-level project, it's really easy to get started and convince people to give you a chance. And then step number 7, the most important one, you have to turn all of this into systems and processes that you can put on autopilot and can get done quickly. Your entire content production circle, you can get someone helping you with your outreach, researching customers, preparing the content that you want to record in your videos, and then sending out your pre-recorded videos to someone. If you want to learn how to do this the right way, you can also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. This is my complete A to Z system, how to create your entire content production process from scratch, how to find your ideal clients, how to build a LinkedIn sales funnel that puts you at ease and puts your revenue on autopilot. So if you want to check that out, link in the description and in the pinned comment. You can also check out my free LinkedIn hashtag guide, which shows you how you can select the best hashtags for your LinkedIn content and also for your LinkedIn creator profile. So that's it for today. If you want to get more videos, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.